It's good to know that a clean filter keeps your washing machine running smoothly and your laundry fresh. Over time, hair, lint and detergent buildup can clog the filter, causing drainage issues, musty smells and even dirty clothes. Thankfully, it's a quick fix you can do yourself. First, locate the panel. Place an old towel or shallow basin underneath in case any water spills out, and then remove the filter. Next, clean the filter and housing. Use a damp cloth to wipe inside the housing and remove any debris. Then, soak the filter in a bowl of hot water with a small amount of dish soap or laundry detergent for 10 minutes. Use a soft, bristled brush, an old toothbrush works well, to remove residue or lint. Rinse thoroughly under warm water. Pop the filter back into its housing. You don't need to dry it, it'll get wet again on the next cycle. To maintain your appliance, clean the filter every 1 to 3 months, or more often if you wash heavily soiled clothes or have pets.